There is my birds in one nest, and there is another birds in the other howla, and there's another birds in the other howla. I have 3 howla with 22 birds. I have now here from 2, now I have 22, and I still have new eggs for coming a baby birds. That is why the pigeon are coming here in our house. And there, you see, the pigeon is there. You see there, it's there.